Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe tax for sales tax filing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Stripe website and log in to your account. Once logged in, ensure you have access to the Stripe dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the settings option in the bottom left corner and click on it. Within the settings menu, find the tax section and select it. Here, you will see options related to Stripe tax. Click on the Get Started button to proceed with the setup. Follow the prompts to enable Stripe tax for your account. After enabling Stripe tax, you will be guided to set up your sales tax settings. Here, enter your business location and any other required information. Next, select the jurisdictions where you need to collect sales tax. You may need to provide your tax registration numbers for these jurisdictions. Once you've completed the setup, save your changes. Now, navigate back to the main Stripe dashboard. Look for the Developers section in the left sidebar. In the Developers menu, click on API Keys to access your API credentials. You will need your publishable key and secret key for authentication. Copy the secret key and store it securely, as you will use it in your application. Next, open your code editor or integration platform. In your application, install the Stripe library if you haven't done so already. Use your preferred programming language to initialize the Stripe library with your secret key. Now, you can authenticate with Stripe tax by making a request to the appropriate API endpoint. Ensure you include the necessary headers and parameters, such as the transaction details. After sending the request, handle the response from the Stripe API appropriately. You should monitor for success or error messages to ensure your authentication is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the Stripe documentation for troubleshooting guidance. Once successfully authenticated, you can start filing sales tax through Stripe. Complete any additional configurations based on your business needs. Regularly check your Stripe account for updates or changes to tax compliance requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.